Good morning guys, in front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and let me show you how to change keyword language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad over here. Now click on settings icon, select languages and mark plus. Now select the language that you want to apply. Let me enter it to find it a bit quicker. And now tap on done. You can remove unnecessary language by using an edit icon and then selecting it. Then confirm that you want to get rid of it by tapping on bin icon, but let me show you how it works with more than one language. If you have more than one, here you will notice the word icon, by tapping on which you can switch the language. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.